Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to manage your privacy in Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Let's focus on how to manage our privacy. Right now, what you want to do is simply go to Profile. The button's right here, simply click on it. Then this will open up. Right here, it's showing you two tabs, Plan and Safety. Click on the Safety tab right here and this will open up. Simply scroll down and at the very bottom, you'll see something like Manage Your Privacy. Click on the button and this will open up. Do note that you can also go to this specific section by going to Settings. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Let's simply go to Settings right here, the button's at the top right, and from here, Privacy. Now there are lots of ways by which you can maintain your privacy. You can hide your location, you can disable public search, you can hide your online status, and many more. Simply toggle off all these buttons. Well, it's up to you whether you want to toggle all these buttons or only one of them. And guys, that's it. That's how you manage your privacy in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. If you like this video, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time.